As you are aware, His Excellency the President did announced a drought for this season to be a national disaster. It is for that reason when he appealed to Kenyans, to NGOs, to other countries like Kuwait, which Kenya works very closely. We have a very good bilateral relations with Kuwait. We are here to have this food taken to the affected people right in these counties like Marsabit, Turkana, Wajir, and Garissa, all the northeastern counties. I'm happy because this food will take them about 2 months. Those families, about 6,500, this food will take them about two months. But let me also add, during this month of January, the Kenyan government has also given about 8.5 billion to go towards vulnerable families in this country. This is the program for Inua and Jamii, and they are the same people who are experiencing drought. They are the same people who are vulnerable in terms of they are over 70 years. Others are people living with severe disabilities. Others are people experiencing extreme poverty. So 8.5 billion Kenya shillings has just been released last week to go to those vulnerable families. In addition, Kenya government, understanding the serious situation the people are experiencing because of drought and poverty, has also released about 400 million to go to bursaries of children who are in boarding school, especially Form 1, and they have not been able to pay their school fees because of drought and poverty. And also about 13 million, which is going towards nutrition for children living in those ASA part of the country.
It gives me my pleasure today and an honor to come and represent my country in delivering a help from their brothers and sisters in Kuwait. When His Excellency the President of Kenya have asked the help for the areas that needed the help, Kuwait did not hesitate to send an Air Force plane with 340 tons of food supply, enough to cover over 6,400 families. Why do Kuwait that fast, that quickly come and help Kenya? Kuwait will never forget the position of Kenya. The people of Kuwait did not forget that when Kuwait needed the help during one of the crises that happened to Kuwait. That's why the connection between the countries very strong. Kuwait will never hesitate to give help to brother, friends, country. But there are other areas that also need that help. So that's what Kuwait is doing now, helping other countries also in that. But when there is a chance of doing it